Ladies and gentlemen, welcome yet to another video. This is Digital Marketpreneur, the channel where we talk about affiliate marketing, make money online, and the mindset. And in this video, we're gonna talk about $65 per day, every single day, with affiliate marketing. And if you're brand new to my channel, if you don't want to miss any strategies of how to become an affiliate, hit that button that says subscribe. Also hit the notification button and the bell notification button so you guys do not miss any of my videos. And I'm gonna show you two affiliate programs that pay you $65 for every single person that sign up under your affiliate program, under your affiliate link. One of them is Bluehost. It's a web hosting program that will give you a domain name. That will also give you a plugin for WordPress, which WordPress is one of the top programs that are compatible with the internet and where you guys can build your own blog post. And their affiliate program pays you $65 for everyone that sign up under your link. So as you can see, simply promote Bluehost on your website with custom banners and links for every visitor who clicks through these links and sign up. You will receive $65, okay? But you also have HostGator, which is another program that has which is another affiliate program for web hosting. They also do the same thing. That will give you your login and your password so you can go to WordPress and do all the changes that you need to do to your actual website, okay? And as you can see, they got sign-ups per month. If you do 1 to 5, you can get $65. So one sign up, $65, guys. Okay, now you're probably thinking to yourself, well, that's great and all, how am I supposed to go and promote this? Well, one of the better ideas that I have for you is, you're probably saying, should I be an affiliate for HostGator or an affiliate for Bluehost? Why not for both? And one of the things that people are doing is being an affiliate for both of them, because both of them have their pros and their cons. And when you learn to what both of them have to offer, it's easier for you, and people are creating content around both of them when they're affiliate for both programs. Now I'm gonna show you this website, okay? And it's a website builder expert, and it says Bluehost versus HostGator, which one is the best one for you? And then you go and actually check both of them, because both of them are one of the most popular that you see. You also see Wix, but this one is very popular, okay? So if you're new to the world of website building, and then you go through the information, and as you can see right here, he has a link for Bluehost and also for HostGator. So if you can see right here, he has his ratings. One is 4.9, top choice for HostGator, and 4.6 for Bluehost. If you click on this link, it's his affiliate link. He'll make a commission if you sign up with HostGator. But let's say you decide to not do HostGator, and you say, well, I much rather go with Bluehost because I think it's the better one for me. Then you will click on this link, and guess what? You're still going to earn those $65 because you're being an affiliate and this person's being an affiliate for both of them. And like I say, they are free to join. All you gotta do is let's say you create a blog post and you're using HostGator. Then you make a review about it, and maybe you go and create a blog post in Bluehost, and you compare both of them to see how they match against each other, and you rank both of them, because you can make the one blog post Bluehost versus HostGator and the other one HostGator versus Bluehost, because you're trying to rank for both of them anyways. So your blog posts, two different ones, can come up in the top rankings of Google and you are actually doing yourself a favor because you are an affiliate for both of them, and it doesn't matter which one the person pick, you will still make a commission. Let's say you don't want to do this, you don't want to create two blog posts just so you can try both of them. You can do something very simple that is absolutely free. You can click in here and go to YouTube, and you enter Bluehost versus HostGator's reviews, and this person is doing a review in both of them. He's talking about both of them, his experience, pros and cons, and guess what? When you click on his description, Bluehost discounts here, and for an awesome HostGator discount, click here. Well, guess what he's doing? He's an affiliate for both of them, and he's giving his honest opinion on both of them, and then you just pick the one that you think that works for you. Very simple. You can do YouTube, have both of them be your actual affiliate programs, and you can do this with other affiliate programs because the comparison is always the best way to go. People are ready to buy affiliate products. You can compare them. How this one works against the other. You give people the why, the benefit, and how they gotta benefit. Is it gonna be easier for them to build their websites or not? On their HostGator, the login information, the support. If anything happens, will they go down? Will the websites go down? And if they go down, how quick are they to recover it? And all the things that get involved with it. How the plugins, work in one way or the other. It's so many things that you can go about creating content and comparing both of them. That ultimately you're helping not only your customer, you're helping yourself by being an affiliate for both of them. You want to learn how to create a blog post? You can also go to a community. It's called Wealthy Affiliate, and within that Wealthy Affiliate, if you click on websites, you have a website builder. They also have domains, and they also will give you access to your WordPress website. So this is a third and a bonus one that I'm giving you guys, where they have an affiliate program. Okay, so when you got people who sign up under you, you can get commissions, and they also teach you how to become an affiliate, and they have plenty of training. Okay, as you can see, there's case studies in here about how to go create this. And let's say you are an actual HostGator and Bluehost affiliate, you can also use Wealthy Affiliate and pitch all three against each other, because let's go see if we can find HostGator versus Bluehost versus Wealthy. I can't write today. Wealthy Affiliate. And as you can see, Bluehost versus Cyberbics. Bluehost versus Wealthy Affiliate review. Moving sites from Wealthy Affiliate to HostGator. Wealthy Affiliate web hosting versus Bluehost. What you need to know. It doesn't seem like there's anything compare all three of them, and you can actually rank for all three. And as you can see, to the vidIQ, the volume, you got 19,000 people look for this type of average, 3,000 people are looking for this type of keywords, and it's super low competition. So you can rank for Bluehost versus HostGator on YouTube very high when you're creating content around it. And you can also add as a bonus, I also going to give you a review of Wealthy Affiliate. So if you want to use either of them to create your blog post, there's links in the description, and you can actually still make commissions for either three of them. Okay, so I hope that you guys see that the potential is there if you do reviews on two different products that are the same in the same niche. You don't have to do just one review and become an affiliate for both of them. You can actually do this with Amazon too. And you can compare headphones one against the other on your blog post and still got links, and you still will have links for both headphones, and you still gotta make commissions. I hope this opens your eyes on being an affiliate. Is not necessarily just one product. You can do a few and you still make a lot of commissions. And if you want to use Pinterest, there's a video that's coming up about how you guys can use Pinterest and do affiliate marketing through Pinterest. And you can use this if you want to go the route of doing reviews on YouTube. But this is a bonus, and this is an extra bonus that I'm giving you. If you take Pinterest and you create a pin for HostGator, and you create a pin for Wealthy Affiliate, and you create a pin for Bluehost, you can take those 3 pins, send them to either your blog post where you did the review for all 3 of them, and you also have a YouTube video about the 3 of them. Use that to send people to it, and you will get the traffic, and eventually people will see that you're giving them the great information, and they will just pick one of them so they can click on your link and you get the commission. So with that being said, I hope that you find value in this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.